Good day, everyone. It's another mathematics class for Basic 3, and today is a Friday, 3rd July 2020, and the topic for today is money, Part 1. Money, Part 1. My name is Olusegun Adebanjo. I'm your maths teacher for Basic 3 at Keith and King Nursery and Primary School, Owode Ibeshe, Ikorodu. And I have about 4 learning objectives for you today. The first learning objectives: at the end of this lesson, say to yourself, I should be able to 1. Give basic meaning of money. 2. Identify the various denominations of Nigerian currencies, that is, coins and notes. 3. Relate the currencies, that is, you should be able to relate the currencies, that is, coins, with notes. Mention some of the currencies used around the world. Okay? The key vocabulary words here. The first one, trade by barter. What do we understand by trade by barter? To trade by barter means you have something in exchange for whatever services rendered to you. Then there was no money in circulation, no money to do exchange, so people do trade by barter. If I have something that I know is of the same value with what you have to give, so we trade by barter. Take for instance, if I'm in need of probably shoe, and you have shoe, you know the worth of your shoe, and I have probably clothes, I know the worth of my clothes. Maybe you need clothes and I need shoe, so I can actually give my clothes to get the shoes from you. You collect the clothes because that's what you need. I need shoe, so I collect shoe, give you clothes. We are trading by barter. Transaction is a form of exchange, give and take. So something must change hand. That is transaction. Financial institution, a place like bank, is referred to as financial institution. They deal with money, whether in form of paper money or digital money. Currency is what is acceptable worldwide. Money that is acceptable worldwide. Currency. The currency in country as in Nigeria, it could be different from the currency in a country like China. Our own currency here is in Naira, while that of China could be in yen or something else. So denominations, that's money in different values now. Denominations. We are not talking about religion here. We are talking about money. So different denominations, that means money with different values. Now I have your content here. What is money? Money is the medium of exchange and a means of paying for goods and services. Money is the medium of exchange and a means of paying for goods and services. Somebody like myself, I'm teaching, meaning I'm rendering a service. What is given to me in return as a teacher is money. Either it's been transferred to my account, or I collect it in form of cash, or a check is written in my name. There's something that is given in exchange for the services or the service being rendered. Okay? In Nigeria, the acceptable unit of money is naira. In Nigeria, the acceptable unit of money is naira. We express the Nigerian money in terms of naira and kobo. We use, you can see that sign, to represent naira, and you can see that sign again to represent kobo. We use N with double strike through to represent naira and K to represent kobo. Also, we use the dots, that's the one in brackets there, to separate the naira and the kobo. E.g., 4 naira, 50 kobo. Kobo is still relevant in balancing some transactions, most especially in financial institutions. There are some things when we buy now, even though kobo is not what we use as part of our currency in Nigeria now, but some of those transactions will still show up in kobo. So in some financial institution, kobo is still relevant in balancing some transactions. Just as 100 centimeter equals 1 minute in measurement of length, 100 kobo equals 1 naira. 100 kobo equal 1 naira when dealing with money. Have some learning aid for you here. Coins shown below are various denominations of Nigerian coins, even though they might not be seen nowadays, but before then, I think I was opportune to spend kobo in my own time. Probably in your own generation, kobo is no longer available. So the first one there is 50 kobo, and this followed by 1 naira and followed by 2 naira. So 50 kobo, 2 of that will give you the second one, that is the one in the middle, 1 naira. So 50 kobo in 2 places is 100 kobo, which will give you 1 naira. So 2 of 1 naira will give you 2 naira. 1 naira plus 1 naira will give you 2 naira. So how many of that kobo will give you 2 naira? It means that 50 kobo in 4 places, that is 50 times 4, will give you 200 kobo, and 200 kobo should equal 2 naira. Why I'm doing this is preparing your mind, because after this introduction, the basic intro to money, we'll be doing a lot of calculations. Okay. The other learning aid is, look at that's talking about notes now. Look at the various denominations of Nigerian currency notes. The first one, 5 naira. So you can see the front and the back, followed by towards my right now, 10 naira. That's the front and the back. Towards the left now, 20 naira, the front and the back. Then to the right again, 50 naira, front and the back. Down towards left now, 100 naira, the front and the back. Towards right now, you have 200 naira, the front and the back. Then we have 500 naira, then the last one, 1000 naira. This shows the front and the back of each of the denominations. The one we looked at before, the coins, they are no longer in use, but these ones are still in use. Okay, so you should be able to identify and recognize Nigerian currencies, Nigerian denominations. Okay. Additional information here. Some of the currencies of the countries around the world are American US dollars, Switzerland Swiss franc, United Kingdom pounds, Jordanian dinar, Omanian riyal, Bahraini dinar, Kuwaiti dinar, Sefa in Benin Republic, rands in South Africa, cedis in Ghana, and so on and so forth. Another additional information is that money, Yoruba call it Owo, Hausa call it Kudi, and Igbo call it Ego. Coins were sometimes in existence and are being used before in Nigeria, but not anymore. Some countries around the world are still using coins. Examples are Benin Republic, USA, Bahrain, and so on and so forth. Coin samples of some of the countries around the world are shown below. So you can go through that for identification and recognition. With that, I welcome you to the end of today's class. Until I come your way again, keep staying at home and keep staying safe. Bye.